Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I am your forerunner at the Kausar pond. Whoever comes on it will drink, and whoever drinks of it will never feel thirsty. Some people will come to me at the pond, whom I will recognize, and they will recognize me. But then a barrier will be erected between me and them. Abu Hazim states, when I was narrating this hadith, Noman bin Abi Ayyash was also listening to it. He said, have you heard this hadith in the same way from Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu? I said, yes. He whereupon said, I testify that I have heard this hadith in the same way from Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu. However, he would add, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon will say, they are my followers. It will be said, you do not know by conjecture what they did after you. I will then say, let them stay away, let them remain away who changed the religion after me. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5926.